Winfield. Is George at home?
No. She went in town babysitting for the next 3 days.
Is that man coming today to take the money out of the vending machines?
What's that?
That man who takes care of the machines, is he coming today?
No. Coming sometime next week. You didn't call Georgia last night, did you?
No, Mom wouldn't let me.
Well, somebody did. But I was busy all night. You didn't call though, huh?
No.
I catch you fooling around, boy.
Hey, can I have a dime?
I'll give you a dime. You gonna leave me alone for a while?
Can you take me into town?
Thought you was gonna stop bothering me.
Georgia has all the luck. Wish I could get a job like Georgia.
Well, she's a year older than you.
Oh, hell. I'm 13. Besides, me and Georgia look the same.
Hi. What can I get for you?
Just fill her up if you would.
Hi.
Hi. It's hot out today, huh?
Yeah, it's been that way pretty much all week. Yeah, well, ain't too bad though. You know, this county's already dry as it is. City council's talking about some kind of water conservation.
Huh.
I was reading about it in the papers the other day. It'll be tough. Water's pretty low in this county already. Guess they're gonna have to vote on it or something.
You want to ride home?
No, that's okay.
Come on, I'll drive you home. It's no trouble.
No, it's okay. I'm almost home.
Feet'll get all sore walking like that.
I'm okay.
Hey, watch out for that snake.
Ha ha.
Are there any rattlesnakes around here?
I don't know.
Sure you don't want to ride?
Well, okay then. You turned me down for a ride. I guess I'll join you for a walk.
Do you like living here? You wouldn't want to trade all this in for a city.
Sure, any day.
I think I'd like to live here. Even with the snakes. How come you walked away so fast? That man back at the gas station, he was mad.
He's my uncle.
Is he? You don't look a thing like him. Is your home nearby?
Up ahead.
I don't see any house up there.
You can't see it from here.
You know, when you smile, you're a very pretty girl. You should smile all the time. You never did tell me your name. That isn't friendly.
It's Nancy.
Nancy. Nancy what?
I don't know.
Nancy, I don't know.
Well, goodbye. I'm gonna cut over this way. It's a shortcut.
Shortcut? To where?
I don't know.
To your house, Nancy?
Yeah. No, it's to our lane. Our lane is half a mile long.
Is it? Your house must be way back there.
Well, goodbye.
Hey, you know what? I like shortcuts and secret paths. I'll walk with you a little way.
What do you...
You're a brave little girl to go around barefoot like that. Or are your feet tough on the bottom?
I'm all right.
Hey, Nancy, where are you going? You always walk so fast?
I don't know.
Is that all you can say, Miss I don't know? That's a funny name. Is it foreign? Nancy? This path is a booby trap, huh? You have any other tricks for me, Nancy? Hey! Hey, you're going off the path. It's against the rules. Little Nancy, you're like a wild colt or a deer. You're so graceful. Is my face amusing? What do you see in my face, Nancy? Do you see my soul? Do you see me? Is that what you're laughing at? Come on, Nancy.
Slow down, Nancy.
Hey! Jesus. This is a little trial for me, isn't it, huh? Is that how your little game goes, Nancy? You won't be laughing, you little bitch.
Better get back in your car. Better go home, go home. Get in your damn car and go home.
Don't leave me.
Oh, go on.
Please. I'm sick. I think.
Well, bye. I'm going.
Wait, please.
Where have you been? I told you to come right back.
I came right back.
You're all dirty. And you look like hell. What happened to you?
Nothing.